back to my channel. Guys, we are like hoping this video won't be long, okay? Like seriously. So this video, as you saw from the title, is everything that we loved, well, almost everything that we loved in 2017. So we are literally gonna go back and forth between me and Nadia and show you guys everything that we've loved throughout the year. Some things like we just don't have with us, and so we couldn't really show you, which is mostly like food items. Yeah. So we decided to do another video of food items that we absolutely love, like could not be without, from 2017. So we'll be back with that video for you guys, but until then, let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, have you subscribed? Are you following us? Have you hung out with us before? If not, subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Now, let's get the show started. Ready? Okay, so Nadia's gonna go first, and then I'll go and we just kind of ping pong it back.
Okay, so my first thing that I'm really obsessed with is this like book sack, and it's like so glittery and red and so pretty.
And she's on ruby red this year, so it was like perfect. She got that from her friend Presley. Thank you, Presley. And Jennifer and Presley, they're the best. All right, so for me, I'm gonna start with lipsticks because shoot, this lipstick is everything. Okay, we've talked about lipsticks a lot on my channel, but let me tell y'all something. This Infallible, when I say y'all will literally eat, don't move. Like, I have never had a lipstick that did not budge the way this lipstick does not budge. I can bite down on something, you don't even see it. Literally the other day I took a nap after church, y'all, in my makeup, full face of makeup. I was tired and it never, when I woke up and my lips was still standing. So like, I am so in love with this. I have on the red one right now, but this one is Rose Blood, and it is definitely a favorite because right now maroon is my absolute favorite. As you guys can see, I went red. This is actually another favorite. This is one of my favorite wigs. I have two, and I'm like so in love with this one. I wanted some straight hair, and my actual hair, I even dyed it maroon, so maroon is like seriously my favorite color. We'll just say that's a part of 2017 too. But yeah, this and the Forever Matte, and this you can get at Walmart, Walgreens, Target, anything like that. And this one actually just came from my local beauty supply store, and it's called Forever Matte, and both of them don't budge, like they don't go in. So y'all, so do you want to tell them what happened?
Oh yeah, so we were at like, it was like Ross, and so we were walking and Mama's flip-flop broke, and so she was sliding across the floor.
Yo. And
so we went to like the shoe aisle to get her some shoes, and she saw these and she's just like, oh
so in love. Like, I was like, I have to walk away with these shoes. These booties are everything. Like, I am so in love with them, and they're in my current favorite color, and I just had to get them, and I've been rocking them like non-stop since we got them.
So I got this cup from Five Below, and it's like clear but like holographic. Is that the word?
I think so, yeah.
And
or iridescent maybe?
Yeah, iridescent. And it's like,
so this is one of my Christmas presents. I am addicted to crossbodies right now, and most of the ones that I have, they all have my monogram on it. This one my mom bought me, and I am like so in love with this crossbody. I did not have black, I had brown, I had gray, and
you have like oh wait, no, that was it.
No, just brown and gray. And those are ones that I was like wearing all the time, besides my clutches, which I usually wear on Sunday. But yes, I am so in love with this crossbody.
I got this from my friend because she doesn't wear bows anymore, and this bow is like on the back, it's like velvet, and on the front, it's like,
I just had to do this. And it says Bae, and it says Black and Educated, and it's just literally, this is my favorite sweatshirt currently. Like, y'all don't even know. If you follow me on Snapchat, you probably see me wear this sweatshirt a million times because it's literally my go-to. I've made it in 2 other colors, And sweatshirts are like my go-to right now with leggings, and so I have several sweatshirts that say different things, but this one, this is like seriously my all-time favorite because it's my favorite color too. So yeah.
Okay, so since you moved on to clothes, I am currently obsessed with sweatshirts too. So we went to Walmart. We had ugly Christmas sweater, but I didn't think this was
Christmas
ugly.
sweater day at Cheer.
At Cheer, and so it says, "All I want for Christmas is you." Just kidding, give me presents.
I love that
and
sweatshirt.
it's like so cute.
It is.
It's
It's really cute. It's a cute sweatshirt, and she's been wearing it a lot too. I had to wash it because I was like, little girl, can I clean it? Can I clean it? She was wearing it that much. Okay, so back to clothes for me. My bomber jackets. Y'all, I am so in love with my bombers. I got both of them. No, I got one from Ross, and then I got other one from a place called Plato's Closet, and it is like a consignment shop for adults. And do I? And like seriously, I am in love. Look at this color, y'all.
it's like it's like the back of my phone kind of.
It
but
is
darker.
so pretty. It's like a mauve color. It's so pretty. Like I am in love with it, and I had to have a hunter green. Like I just had to have this. I had to. It doesn't look like the color doesn't look the same as it does on camera, but anyway. I'm in love.
We had this Christmas photo shoot, and so we went to like Walmart, or I don't remember.
We went to Walmart, we went to Target, and I think that was it.
Yeah. So like I got these pants, and they're like super fluffy. Like I wish y'all could
so
feel
soft.
it.
She's gonna do
So
this.
then my aunt got me this. It's from Vera Bradley. I wish y'all could feel this too. It is so soft. And
It
it's
is.
like a
It's
hoodie.
that super soft material, like fleece material. It's so soft.
It's like a hoodie. It's so soft.
It's so cute.
Then my dad for Christmas he got me this like back like reverse hoodie.
It's
so
cute.
like if I unzip it, it's like black and gray, which is so cool. Because I've never had a reversible jacket. So like here's the other side, and like when it's zipped up, it has like Batman symbol.
Yeah, she got a lot of money for Christmas.
I got $100, a $50 bill.
And you got $40.
Yeah. And I went to the mall to get some.
I took her to JCPenney's to get her some clothes.
So I got this, and it's like off the shoulder, and it's super cute.
It is.
Okay, so this is cute, but I absolutely hate it. Because the arms.
It's cute, but she absolutely hated it. So we didn't try it on at the store when I told her
Because
to.
I didn't want to.
She didn't feel like it. And so she didn't try it on at the store. And now she got home and she doesn't like it.
Well, it's cute, but this
It's cute, but the arms are uncomfortable. It's the beading that's on it. Like, I don't know. It's not comfortable. It's stiff. I'm not gonna lie. It is stiff.
Okay, so
That's it for you.
Christmas, I got this for Christmas, and I'm like absolutely obsessed with it. Like
Grandmother bought that for her.
and it is so soft.
Can you tell she's obsessed with like this soft, fluffy material? I can't knock her though. Like, it's comfortable.
So is my dog. I get it from him.
Sasuke's sleeping right now. Okay, so my turn again, and I'm gonna go with. Oh, I have one more makeup item. So I have like some. Okay, so this mascara. Now y'all know I love my Mary Kay. If you don't know, now you know. Like I love my Mary Kay mascara. I think that might be like one of the only products I use from them. No, I use their skincare. But their mascara is bomb. Like I absolutely love their mascara. But I was out, and my mother-in-law, and that's where I get my Mary Kay from, is my mother-in-law, and I couldn't get any from her at the time, y'all. So I went to Walgreens and I picked up this Maybelline Lash Sensual. I think that's it. Yeah, it's just Lash Sensual, and
It's
let me
really
tell
good.
y'all.
It like plumps up your eyelash.
For real, like this mascara is so bomb. Like real talk, and I like the wand
I'm
on
obsessed
it.
with chocolate. So I have this Nestle, like semi-sweet. Semi-sweet.
That's right,
So-
semi-sweet.
I love pretzels. cookies and chocolate.
Alright. What?
I love bagels and I also love cream cheese, so I love strawberry cream cheese.
That's why I have the bigger container, because the boys love bagels too, and we pretty much, this is like the only one that they like absolutely love. Since Nadia did food, I'm gonna do food too. And I'm gonna do my current favorite extra for my tea. My favorite tea, I'm out of it. So again, we're gonna do a food video.
The box.
I don't even have the box. I'm completely out of my favorite one. I have a chai tea in the cabinet, but it's not my favorite chai tea. So I'm gonna just show y'all.
Wait, I'll be back. Now me.
My bad. Sips tea. Okay, now that Nadia's back, yeah, so the Southern Butter Pecan, I have a few. The Southern Butter Pecan,
And she has like a hazelnut one.
the hazelnut one, the caramel one, let's just say International Delight creamers are my current favorite. So I put a shot of this in my chai tea. Currently chai tea is like the only tea that I am drinking. Besides like putting a shot of this in there, and it's just been so good. If you follow me on Instagram, I put a post up about it as well as my favorite tea, and y'all, I'm telling you, you have to try it. The combination is amazing. It just tastes so good and so refreshing, and just the smell of chai tea is like wake up. Like, it's just so refreshing and just so happy place. I love it. But since we're talking about this, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about a little mommy drink. So I've been adding in the Baileys and with the chai tea, and with a shot of whichever one of the delights that I choose to use. It is really good.
Out of every single thing that I have, I love this. It's very memorable. It's like my second place summit thing.
Flag from them winning second place at Summit.
It's from Hawaii, and I don't know what it's called, but it's like super pretty and it has like flowers and everything. I actually model for this company.
I'm an athlete for this particular company, and y'all, let me tell you, we're gonna talk about this in a second, okay? So before she became a brand athlete for this particular company, they came to Cheer Force Gym, which is where she cheers at, and they were selling their product. So the lady did a demonstration on Nadia's hair. You know, as a black girl, you're not always gonna go for every hairspray, okay? And we don't use a whole lot of hairspray in the first place, but because she's a competitor, yes, we definitely have to use hairspray when she's out on that stage slinging that hair everywhere. So when this lady, Nadia's hair was straight that particular day. I'm gonna post a picture of what her hair looks like that day. Y'all, when I say when she sprayed, Nadia had like these flyaways going on, and she sprayed this hairspray and then she just smoothed her finger over it. I was done. Like, I was like, wait, what? Like, her hair was still so soft, and then the lady started telling us like the different healthy products that was in this, that they only use 1% alcohol. Like, I can go on and on about this product. Let me just say, we were sold. Like, I literally bought a can right then and there, and we were sold on the product. So then Nadia ended up doing an interview with Mr. Kyle, and Kyle is amazing. I love his personality. We ended up doing an interview with Mr. Kyle. She ended up applying to be a brand ambassador for them and getting it. And they had well over 5,000 applicants for this particular position. And she, among several other athletes, are now brand athletes for this company. And y'all, I'm telling you, I know y'all like, well, she a brand athlete, of course she love. Nah, we tried the product before we even did that, and I'm telling y'all, try for yourself.
Your makeup.
Yeah, we even use it to set our makeup, but it's bomb. I done went off on a whole thing with that, but it's a good product. I'm just saying. So this is my last. Yeah, this is my last. This is all I have left, and my body scrubs. So I do make my own body scrubs, but when I'm not using my homemade body scrubs, this right here is everything.
Wait, I want to smell that.
Like, I absolutely love, I've talked about this particular product before, as well as the lotion and the body wash, but that one is new.
This is good. Where'd you get these?
So good. These came from Walmart. Yeah, they did. They came from Walmart. I'm so serious, and it just smells so super good, and my body always feels so amazing. This one is the Moroccan Rose, which I've talked about before, but this one is the, I'm not even sure how you say that. Leche?
Lachai, and plum.
We're not sure.
It's
and plum.
And plum.
And they're both from the Tree Hut, and they're sugar scrubs, and y'all, like,
So good.
it smells so good.
So,
Like, seriously,
Mama
so
actually
good.
doesn't like this one, but I love it. She says it smells good on me, but not on her. And this is the tropical mango shea butter. And it's like smells so good. I'm almost out. I just have like the littlest bit left, but like.
Yeah, that smell did not work with my body at all. Like, at all. I hated it. But it smells so good on her.
Okay, so I'm also in love with this. Mom actually used this and I loved it.
I've
I
talked
took
about
it
it
from
before.
her.
Yeah.
And it's like the lavender and
Chamomile.
and
Lang lang.
and it's beautiful. So we went to the mall with my one of my best friends, and we got matching cases. And well, y'all can't see it because it's a clear case, but on the side it has like rose gold, and it's like a really cute pop socket.
And they got matching pop
But
sockets.
it's like so pretty. And for Christmas, I got the iPhone 8. The normal one.
My kid has the iPhone 8. I don't even have the 8. But her dad bought that for her. We all came in agreement between me, him, and Terrence that we would go ahead and let her have a cell phone. We were gonna wait another year. Terrence and I were gonna wait another year until she made 13. But considering everything and who she is, and it was a lot of different elements, and Terrence, okay, we're having lighting issues. So anyway, but that was the last thing, right? Her cell phone is the last thing she got. We are what?
My iPad. Look.
She's not even keeping that iPad. Now that she have a cell phone, we're gonna give that to Raylan.
He doesn't need it. He's gonna.
That is everything. That's I'm seriously gonna have to edit this video like big time, because that was a lot. Like, that was a lot. So if you have not subscribed, guys, remember to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment down below of things that you guys want to see more of, to give us some ideas. Anywho, we will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.